Are your leads just sitting there, never turning into actual deals? You've got them all collected in Pipedrive, but they're just stuck. That's missed revenue and a messy pipeline. So here's exactly how to convert a lead into a deal in under 2 minutes. We'll walk through the whole conversion process, step by step, from opening up your leads all the way to verifying that shiny new deal sitting in your sales pipeline. So let's jump in. I've got Pipedrive open right here, and you'll want to start with it open on your end too. All right, first thing. Look over to the left sidebar. That's your main navigation. Go ahead and click on Leads. Now, give it just a second for the Leads inbox page to load. You'll see all your incoming leads here. Take a moment to scan through the list. This is where you can really see who's been coming in. Maybe someone filled out a form or you imported a list. Either way, look for the lead you want to push forward into an active deal. Found the one? Good. Next to that lead, you'll see a little 3-dot menu icon. Click on that. A small action menu will pop up. You're looking for the option that says Convert to Deal. Click that. And now a conversion window opens up. This is where the magic happens. Pipedrive has already pulled in a bunch of information for you. It'll show you the lead's name, maybe the contact details, and any notes you had. Here's the really important part. You need to pick the right pipeline. If you have multiple sales pipelines, make sure it's going into the correct one. This keeps things organized and make sure your reporting stays clean. Then choose the pipeline stage. Think of this as the starting point for this deal. Is it brand new? Put it in the first stage. Is it further along? Adjust it accordingly. I always recommend being honest here so your sales forecast stays accurate. Now, take a look at the contact and organization info. Pipedrive will try to match it to existing contacts, which is super helpful. Double-check that everything looks right. If a field is empty, you can fill it in now or do it later. And don't forget the deal value. If you have a dollar amount associated with this lead, go ahead and enter it. This is what you'll track as a potential win. If you're not sure yet, you can leave it blank or put a placeholder. Just don't skip it completely. It's key for keeping your numbers straight. Once everything looks good, click Save. You'll see a brief confirmation that the conversion is in progress. It might take a moment to process, so hang tight. All right, now let's go see your new deal in action. Over in the left sidebar, click on Deals. Then open up your sales pipeline view. This is where you can see all your deals moving through their stages. And there it is. Your converted lead is now sitting right in the first stage of your pipeline. You went from a stuck lead in a list to an active deal that you can nurture and close. That's really all there is to it. No complicated workflows or extra tools, just a quick, clean conversion that keeps your pipeline healthy and your revenue on track.